Welcome to Somfy's how-to video series dedicated to motorized draperies. In this video, we will show you how to program a drapery motorized with Glydea or Irismo type motors. Before you begin, make sure the drapery track is properly installed and the drapery is hung. Manually move the drapery to a middle position along the track. This allows for movement of the motor in either direction. To initiate programming, press and hold the up and down buttons simultaneously until the drapery jogs. A jog is a brief back and forth movement. Next, briefly press up or down. The drapery will automatically run to record both hard stop positions. Now check the direction of operation. When pressing up, the drapery should open. If the drapery closes upon pressing up, you will need to reverse the direction of operation by pressing the My button until the drapery jogs. Confirm by pressing up, which should open the drapery. To finalize the setting, press the programming button on the back of the control until the drapery jogs. Both limits are set and the motor is now in user mode. Brief press of up or down will send the drapery to the respective limit. You can stop the drapery at any point by pressing My. Thanks for watching. Visit us on somfysystems.com to learn more.